All right, we are back into the AI Copy Lab. Thanks a lot for joining me. I'm Andy O'Brien. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, okay? Because there's tons of videos coming out all the time. So this time around, we're going to talk about the secret hacks of the copywriting masters. I've been writing copy for 20 years, okay? So I know these secret hacks. But what you can do, I'm going to make it easy for you. If you want to write like a copywriting master, all you have to do is ask ChatGPT. It's that easy. So here's what I did. Rather than give you a big long lecture about what the hacks are myself, let's just put it right into a prompt. All right. So this is what I did. I said, what are some of the secret hacks of the copywriting masters? Now, here's what it told me. And these are not so secret. I'll give you, I'm going to tell you right now, these are not that secret. Understanding the audience, compelling headlines. Yeah. Storytelling, right? Addressing objections, benefits over features, call to action, building trust, A/B testing, emotional appeal. These are all, pretty basic. This is kind of copywriting 101. So what I did was I created a follow-up prompt and I said, these are not so secret. What did they do that others don't? All right. So I want to drill down deeper, and a lot of what ChatGPT, that the secret of ChatGPT is in the follow up. It's not in the initial prompt because you might be a little disappointed with the first results, right? So that's why I am drilling down deeper, and this is where I struck gold. All right. So I'm going to give you the real skinny on what the copywriting masters, their hacks. Okay. Deep empathy and connection, and not just any empathy. They go deep. And one of the things I always do when I get a new copywriting client is I really make a solid connection with who they are, who the client is, what they are resonating with their target audience, and really drill into what the target audience's pain points are, their dreams, fears, aspirations on a really deep level. So that's number one. Okay. Number two, another hack of the copywriting masters is doing unconventional approaches. So they experiment, they use attention getting devices that stand out. They don't just blend in with everybody else. Another one, mastery of persuasive language. The big copywriters out there, the ones that make 5 figures per project, are the ones that know left and right, know backwards and forwards psychological triggers. They can do them in their sleep. All right. So they use certain words and phrases that bring out emotional reactions and get the reader, your prospect, to take action. Emotional appeal is another one. And also, they use the senses, the 5 senses. They, in kind of a hypnotic way, they tell the reader to visualize things and use their senses of smell and taste and hear, and really drill down into a really vivid imagery with their writing. Understanding decision-making processes, that's a huge one with the cognitive aspects of writing. They take what they know from what has worked for them in the past, and they guide the reader down a path toward the desired outcomes. Okay. Another one, ruthless editing and revising. You need to redo things all the time when you're writing really good copy. It's not just about writing it and getting it out there. That's why I like to revise what ChatGPT gives you, because it's not going to be the ideal thing every single time. Intuition and instinct. The master copywriters develop a strong intuition for what works and what doesn't, because it's based on their experience. Another one is they collaborate with the clients. They stay updated on what the trends are in the industry. They are confident, and they use the big picture in what they really want to do with the process, with the branding, and with how they market the main emphasis of what the client wants out of their project. So these are some of the hacks that the master copywriters do. Now, you can put this prompt in yourself, and if you want to go even deeper, you would tell ChatGPT, okay, I want to master the persuasive language. So all you do is say, expand on number 3. Okay. And you can do this with any of them. And it'll do that. It'll tell you about mastering the persuasive language. So now we have gone even further down the rabbit hole about persuasion, the art of persuasion. And I'll actually be covering these in future videos as well. So this gives you an idea of just how far ChatGPT can take you if you want to be writing like a copywriting master. Hope you enjoyed this. Keep watching and watch more videos. There's so many things we're covering on this channel in the AI Copy Lab. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you watch all the videos. I'm Andy O'Brien. See you next time.